Hello everyone. Today we will see how the AgeWell Plus digital health monitor works. This is powered by HealthCube. Basically, the AgeWell Plus device has been designed in order to help people check their vital parameters and blood glucose using a single device instead of using multiple devices. So let me just quickly show you how this works. As you can see, there are these ports through which you can connect the respective cables and perform the test. You can perform pulse oximetry, blood glucose, blood pressure, a 3-lead single channel ECG, and temperature using this device. The device is basically paired with an Android application which is available on the Play Store. The application is called as AgeWell Enterprise. Let me show you how it works. This is the power button. Once you click on the power button, the LED starts blinking. Open the app. This is the homepage of the application. You can see there are two parts. One is the patient registration part and other one is the statistics. In patient registration, when a patient is coming to you for the first time, you will have to register them by clicking on register, and then you enter their details like the gender, name of the patient, phone number, and their age. If the patient is already registered, you just have to click on search and look for their details either by searching with their name, phone number, or the MRN. Coming to the statistics part, you can see how many patients have been registered in that system and how many tests have been performed till date. Let me quickly click on search, type in the name of the patient, click on find. As you can see, the patient's details have popped up. Once you click over here, you land up to the screening page. So as I mentioned, you can perform all these tests using this device. Let me just quickly start with a pulse oximetry test. So when you click on the test, it will ask you to pair the device since it is connected via Bluetooth. I'll click on AgeWell Plus and it will connect. As you can see, the LED stopped blinking and it has become stable. That means the device and the app are connected now. Clicking on pulse oximetry again. The app is user-friendly. It gives you step-by-step instructions how to perform the test in the form of picture and also a single liner text. As you can see, I have the pulse oximetry cable with me. You can see all these ports are color-coded so that you know which cable has to be inserted in which port. As you can see, pulse oximetry, you just have to connect it over here. Let me just do that. Once the connection is done, you click on next. It says that you have to insert the finger in the chamber. This is the chamber where you insert the finger. Once done, click on start. You have the readings on your screen. Just click on finish. And the ECG. Let me show you the accessories. So this is the ECG cable. As you can see, this is green in color. You can connect to the green color port in the device. You can see that there are 3 leads over here. So it is basically RA, LA, LL. These are also color coded. The app will prompt you the alignment or the place where you have to stick these leads on the patient's chest. The thermistor is for checking the temperature. Coming to the blood pressure, we have this blood pressure cuff. So the cuff you'll have to wrap around the patient's arm, left arm, and the other end goes into the device on the black color port. Coming to the glucose, as you can see over here, there's a port where you have to insert the glucose strip. Let me quickly show how that looks. So I have the strip with me. I have the lancing device and the lancet, alcohol swab, and cotton, which are required for performing the test. Click on blood glucose. Select whether it is fasting, random, or PP. Now it says you keep all the things ready, which I have it with me. Say next. It asks you to check whether the strip is within the expiry. You can find it over here. Say yes. Then you click on start. Once you click on start, it asks you to insert the test strip. So I have the test strip with me. You just insert it. Like this. Strip is good. It has been detected. Say next. You keep the lancing device ready. I've already loaded it with the lancet, fresh lancet. Pull the pen and keep it ready. Say next. Now you have to wipe the finger with the alcohol swab. So I have it with me. Just wipe it up and leave for a second or two so that it dries. Once it is done, just load the pen and then prick. Wipe away the first drop of blood as it says in the app. Take the next drop of blood over here and just touch it on the strip. It will start analyzing the sample. There you can see the readings are here within seconds. Just click on finish. Discard the glucose strip. Take a cotton or the same alcohol swab and just remove it. Say okay. Discard the lancet. Now you can click on the report section. Here you can see the tests which are performed. You can download the report. Click on view. This is how the report looks. You have the patient's details. You have the test time, the name of the test, what were the values, and the normal ranges. You can go ahead and print it out if you are having a Wi-Fi printer, or you can share the e-copy with the patient or the doctor. Just click on share. Once you click on share, you get the option over here, whichever platform is available on the tab or the phone, like Gmail, WhatsApp, Telegram, or any platform that you already have, you can just go ahead and share it. Thank you.